Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. Today is day 5 of the practice and you are learning yoga from zero, yoga from the very scratch. And I am teaching you Yogic Sukshma Vyayam because that is what I teach my students when they are starting to learn from zero. So let's take the standing position and take this practice forward. Keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Relax. Now move your head side to side, side to side, side to side as freely as is comfortable. Now move your head up and down, breathing normal, natural. Now start rotating, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise movement. Rotate 5 times. One clockwise, one anti-clockwise movement. If you are new, start from day 1 practice. Don't start from day 5. Okay. Now, extend your arms in front of you, fingers together. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now bring the arms in close to the shoulder. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Make sure your elbows do not move. The movement happens only from the wrist. Now extend your arms again forward, fingers apart this time. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Again, bend your elbows and keeping the arm static, moving only from the wrist. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Again, extend your arms forward, this time clench your fist. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Again, bend your arm in the similar manner. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Again, now extend your arms forward. This time you are going to rotate. Rotate your fist from the wrist. Breathing normal, natural. After 10 rotations, reverse the movement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now as you inhale, arms goes up sideways, exhale, arms down. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Go as fast as is comfortable to you. Relax. Now, clench your fist, deep inhale, hold the breath and rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as is comfortable, retaining the breath inside. Start. Keep rotating till the point you are comfortable. The moment you feel I am not comfortable anymore retaining the breath, you will bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale, extending your arms forward with force. Okay. Relax, let the breath be normal, natural, and repeat the same thing in the other direction. This time you are going to rotate backward. Always remember rotation as fast as is comfortable to you. You can go slower also if you feel that way is more comfortable. Now, as you inhale, move your arms up, bend back from the upper body. Exhale, return. Now, swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder. Inhale, exhale, return. I have taught these practices in the earlier sessions properly, so do not miss out the previous videos. Clench your fist, take your arms back, hold it with the left hand from the wrist, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Now switch your arms and repeat. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Relax. Now open your legs as wide as is comfortable to you, toes pointing outward, press your heels down, palms on your waist, thumb in front, forefingers back, rolling your shoulders backward. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up in the center, feet together, arms opening sideways. Lock your arms there, deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the right side. Inhale back to the center, exhale on the left. Relax. Next, shoulder level distance between the feet. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation. Every time you twist back, exhale. Exhale, exhale. Relax. Next two practices are new but will be familiar to you. So what we have to do is As you inhale, you will expand your belly out. As you exhale, you will contract your belly in. It is not relaxation, it is contraction on exhalation. So inhale out, exhale in. First we are going to do it fast. So inhale out, exhale in, inhale out, exhale in. Now go slow. Inhale, expand your belly out slowly. Exhale, slowly contract your belly in. Inhale out slowly. Exhale, slowly exhale and contract your belly in. Keep practicing, go with your own pace, go as slow as is comfortable to you in this practice. Slowly exhale and contract your belly in. Slowly inhale, expand your belly out. Very slowly. In this practice, you can keep your eyes closed to feel the movement. In the rest of the practices, please note you have to keep your eyes open and practice. But in this one, you can keep your eyes closed. Relax. Okay, now let's move to the next practice. As you inhale, open your arms and legs. As you exhale, close. Don't hit your thigh. Don't touch your head. Even arms won't be touching each other. Go as fast as is comfortable. Relax. Relax for some time. Next is Kursi Asana. Keep your feet together. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Deep inhale, exhale, bend down. Bending down to the point when your thighs become parallel to the floor. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up. Release and relax. Next, balance with one foot, lift the other one up and rotate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here breath is normal, natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Feet together with every count. Lift your heels up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Up and hold. Now here you are going to jump from this position. When you jump, keep your knees straight and try to come back to the same position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So basically, I was jumping on the toes. Heels will be up throughout jumping. And breath normal, natural. Now it's time for relaxation, Shavasana. We are going to skip belly breathing and chest breathing demonstration. You are free to do it on your own. You know the practice, do it yourself. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write to me. and I'll see you in the next practice video. Till then, namaste.